Hello peeps, it is good to see you visiting my channel. Welcome. So have you been searching how to replace the battery on this Asus Gaming TUF A17? Well, you came to the right video guide then. Here I will show you how to open the laptop. I will clean it up a little bit and also give you some buying recommendations in the description box below this video. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? So pretty long screws, wouldn't you say? This corner one shorter. This corner screw is a bit special. The manual calls it pop open screw and it doesn't go out all the way. As you unscrew it, it starts lifting the back cover. That way it is easier to pry it open. Let me show you what I mean. It's going to be easy to insert right here. I'm working here on the cover gradually and patiently with no excessive force. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. Before touching any of the components, disconnect the battery. Just in case you haven't noticed, folks, RAM located right here with the familiar Asus silver thermal coverings on the modules. And your M.2 SSD hard drive located right here. After some dusting and cleaning, I will put the battery back. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.